Hey, what is up guys? It's me, Joss, and gusto ko lang kayo batiin ng Happy New Year, of course. And sa mga di nakakaalam, again, I'm into seaweed-infused products. Kaya sa mga naghahanap po dyan ng opportunity, just so you know, we are introducing seaweed-infused product to the market in the Philippines. So if not, we are the only one na nagpo-push nito. So we have a really good quality na mga seaweed-infused products. So ang initial po natin, we have a seaweed lotion and seaweed soap. So ang dami po niyang magandang review. Ito po ay FDA registered. So sa mga naghahanap po dyan ng magandang skincare, subukan niyo po ito. You can try to research about the benefits of seaweeds. So marami po siyang clinical trials and studies na maganda po siya sa skin. And try nyo lang, no? Wala namang mawawala. And of course, hindi natin papalampasin yung bestseller natin ng mga seaweed chips, no? Ito po. Okay, we sold around 15,000 pouches, no? Kaka-launch pa lang nito, ilang buwan pa lang pero 15,000 pouches. Kaya sa mga nagtatanong din po kung nasa TikTok basket, wala pa kasi hindi pa namin ma-cope yung demand ng outside TikTok. Pero antayin nyo po within, baka before February nasa TikTok shop na tayo. Okay? And sa mga di pa nakaka-try, we have 5 flavors po ng seaweed chips. So it's one of the healthiest chips you can try po dito sa market natin. Alright? And of course, I'm so excited kasi syempre, subscription company po tayo. We are about to release the 2 main product of Seacrest. Ayan, nakikita nyo. May stick beak na tayo. Ayan. So it's going to be a partner, Sea Skin Supreme and the Seaweed Sea Moss capsules. So ito po ay formulated lang dito sa company natin, exclusive. So this is an international product. Kaya pag ito po na-launch, i-share po namin sa inyo, you're gonna be amazed kung gaano kaganda yung benefit ng seaweed sa katawan. And you're gonna be shocked na, wow, our body needs 102 minerals and vitamins. And seaweed has 92 bioavailable nutrients. So essentially, you are putting 92 over 102 essential nutrients in your body. So talagang napaka-beneficial nito sa katawan natin. And everybody should try this. Ako po ay isang heart-operated patient na. And personally, I like the effect of seaweed products. Kaya to all the members and of course, sa mga naghahanap po ng company this year, consider nyo po yung Seacrest. No? Subukan nyo i-check yung website namin. Kung naghahanap ka ng magandang pay plan, naghahanap ka ng long-term, if network builder ka or nasa sales ka, silipin nyo po yung Seacrest. First of all, we are a subscription model, membership model tayo. So we are the first in the Philippines to have this model just by subscribing. No? Not necessarily referring people. It's not a mandatory thing here. And there's no hard selling. You don't need to sell. There's no, you don't need to push the products every time, right? And of course, ang pinakamaganda dito, drop shipping din tayo. So you don't need to pack anything. We pack, we deliver for you. So essentially, we do everything for you. We have GCash payout and bank transfer payout. So you're gonna be staying on the comfort of your home. Sasama mo yung family mo. And this 2025, let's try to earn, substantial amount. Sabay-sabay tayo. And habang pinapalaki namin yung company, subukan nyo lang, no? Wala namang mawawala. And be a subscriber po ng seaweed products. We're gonna have more products po this year and abangan nyo lang. Sinasabi namin palagi na seaweed is gonna be the next barley. Because 10 years ago, the people do not believe sa power po ng barley. And today, dami pong barley dito sa market, di ba? Pero ito po, seaweeds, is like barley 10 years ago. Okay? So 10 years from now, makikilala din po itong seaweed as one of the most powerful plant on earth. Try nyo po i-research. Ang ganda po talaga ng effect ng seaweed sa atin. So, dapat po siya maging product. Household product, food product, household items, di ba? Snacks, drinks, essentially everything. Okay? So, yan lang. Bawi tayo ngayong 2025. Sasamahan namin kayong bumawi. Lahat tayo bumangon. Guys, okay lang madapa. Pero, importante, bumangon ka. Kahit ilang beses ka madapa, pero babangon ka dapat palagi. Alright? So, God bless you guys. Again, Happy New Year. Ingat palagi.